This is the first time in Delilah's entire life that she has been in snow. And we took her snowshoeing with her godmother Elise, her dad Justin.
Her dad.
Her dad. She's trying to eat it. Look, babe, look.
That's my girl.
She's getting it. Ooh. Oh, that's like squatted.
Snow butt. So bright over there.
Who's the abominable? Y'all want to stay here and play, and I'll run and get the car?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where you gonna be? Somewhere right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll come right here.
Oh, I have to take my shoes off though. So.
Ooh.
We'll just, it may be better to stick together. Hi! Ooh. Ooh.
I really want a picture with her.
Oh!
Who let the snow out?
Here, get her, do it from a distance. It's just going to. You want to get a picture of y'all? She loves it.
Well, my little snow girl.